Yo, 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 what up guys? Good afternoon, good evening, good morning. What up, what up, what up? Gonna go over a couple things towards the end of the stream just to clarify some things for people. But yeah, for now we'll just keep posting some tickets and everything. I've got a bunch to go through on Twitter and then I'll get back to you guys, alright? LGHL. Alright, let's have a look. LGHL. LGHL, nothing on this, although it was up 22% yesterday. For me, it's too much of a range, so what I'll do is I'll just make it easy for my life. And if it closes above 265, then that would be nice entries. And you have clean range all the way up to 2.9. Oof. So LGHL, wait for 0.2650, break above. All right. 0.265. All right, what do we have next? GRRR. This is a former run as well. GRRR. GRRR, these are your key levels, 4.85, 4.85. Then you have 5.25 on this. Here are your key levels. Very bullish swing though. Key levels. Very nice chart. Very, very nice chart on this. Looks good. Alright, SGN. SGN got absolutely rocked yesterday. For me, personally, nothing on this. Let me have a look. Yeah, SGN, nothing. Trash. 0.365. So something like this, I wouldn't consider it unless 0.365 clean resistance break goes to the upside. Wait for break above 0.365. 0.365. SGN, GRR, please stop spamming. What else we got? How many other charts here? HSCS, how's this one looking? I haven't had a look since, so we go to the 5 minutes. Just consolidating here in the demand zone. We'll see if it can hold this into open, but it looks good. Consolidating in demand zone. Looks nice. I would wait for 450. If anything on this, 450. UEC. See UEC, low volume, very bullish chart. Wow, very nice chart on this. Clean range to $7 pretty much. Clean range to $7. UEC, clean range to $7. All right, guys, you can post some tickets, questions, and that, and I'll get back to you in a minute. I'm just going through this stuff here on Twitter. I'll be with you in a few minutes. Nearly done. CING. Nothing on this. Look what's happening. Very low volume. We're at support round here. What is this? 485. Nice psychological level. Yeah. Trying to enter. You need to break above here. 550. Sing. Wait for 550. Wait for 550 break above. JBDI. This ran on Friday, didn't it? It's up again, I see. JBDI, I'll just keep it on my watch list since it did run. I can't remember when. I think it was Friday. Let's go on the 5 minutes, see what's happening. Go to the 4 hour here. Let me just get some levels going. All right, let's see. All right, here we go. So you have range all the way up to here, 250, 2.5. Yeah, clean range to 2.5. What is this? JBDI clean range to 250. Keep this one on watch. It ran on Friday. Friday, I think. Don't quote me. SLXN, where is that one I saw running earlier? SLXN came straight back down. 135, needs 135. X-Pawn, where's X-Pawn? Is it back alive or what? Just, I don't like this play. A lot of people manipulating this one, so for me, nothing. Needs 1 point. X-Pawn, no entries unless 0.1219 break above. Yeah, needs break above that, then you're fine. Thanks, man. All right, I am done. Let me go to you guys. All right, game. Guys, let's get some comments in here. Comments, questions. Otherwise, I'm just going to end the stream. Game, let me have a look. Game. Game did have news. Yeah, game did have news. There's a gap fill here, look. It's filling the gap. It's actually pushing a bit. I think, yes, I did this chart yesterday as well. Be interesting to see if this can actually hold it, because if it does, could be cooking with summon. Let me go look for this chart. Hold up. I think I have this chart already. I did it yesterday. Game. Oh, I did a pre-market with you guys, I think. Yeah, it was. I'm trying to find it. Gap fill. Still gotta wait. Oh, here it is. Found it. It's actually moved from yesterday. From 22 hours ago I posted it. Looks decent. Game ZEO. This ran on which day? Last week sometime. ZEO on this one, for me, it's actually looking not too bad. I kind of like it. I'm going to use it like this. Possibly like this. Yeah, maybe a bullish pennant. Straight up, down like that. Yeah, it looks alright actually. I like it. Not bad. Keep it on watch. ZEO bullish pennant. ZEO bullish pennant. Looks alright actually. Yeah. Add this one to your watch list. We'll see. We'll see if it can do anything. I know it's down 4%, but I'm not interested in that. BNZI is running. Let me have a look. BNZI is running. We'll keep it on the watch list right here. Wick fill all the way up to here. 890 wick fill. Should get there probably. If it breaks above this high, you're good. BNZI 890 wick fill. So we have 5-minute chart. Let's see. Yeah, very, very bullish. Right now, you should not enter this. This is called chasing if you enter that. Chasing and FOMOing. But yeah, I like it. BNZI. I have it on my watch list. We'll just wait and see what happens. Let's see. FAMI has 0 volume. I'm not going to bother with this. Unfortunately, nothing on that. CNEY. CNEY, another very bearish chart. Low volume. Nothing for me on this. Whether there's news pending or not, I'm not too sure what's going on. But yeah, personally, nothing for me. Low volume. You can just do it like this if you want. Low volume. GNS, probably another one. GNS, another one, very low volume, not a good stock at all. This is absolute shit, this stock. So many bag holders in this play. Nothing on this, absolutely nothing. Nothing unless downtrend break. MLGO. MLGO is right here. MLGO needs to hold this falling wedge. We'll see what it does do. I'm just going to remove the wedge and just put it as a downtrend at the moment. Use that like that. So it needs a downtrend break. Ideally one above 0.35. MLGO needs downtrend break. Wait for the downtrend break, then maybe you can look for entries. All right. ZNTL. Let me have a peek. ZNTL 190. ZNTL, you got resistance around here. What is this level? 440. Yeah, ZNTL, wait for 440. Wait for 439 break. The reason why I say that is because you have clean range all the way up to literally 540. Need to see what you expect for MLGO. MLGO, what do I expect? Nothing yet. Nothing unless it breaks above the downtrend. Right now it's bearish, so nothing. If it breaks above the downtrend, then you have a room up. Tiger, would you give me your thoughts on IQ? IQ. IQ looks very bullish. You just come into a resistance right now, which is right here. 2.38. So above 2.38, maybe you can consider something, and then you have clean range all the way up to here, like 2.67. But yeah, bullish chart at the moment. IQ needs 238 break for 267 next. All right. MSSS. Where is this? MSSS. Looks great. Looks great. It should keep going. It's above VWAP now? Yeah, above VWAP, it should be good. I would be in this trade, yes. It's the only trade that I like. I still like it. I still like it. It's moving nicely. Perfect. Perfect. Perfect moving. Nice. MSS. People in the Discord should be in this, I think. SEEL, let me have a look, 85%. So something like this is you found an area of support around here, 0.34. Now what I suggest is if it closes above here, then maybe you can look for your entry. Seal, wait for 0.3768. Wait for close above 0.3768. All right. SLXN, nothing on SLXN. For me, nothing on this. I don't like a chart like this. I don't know what's happening here. Weird chart. I'm just going to remove off my watch list. Good morning, what up, Kima? I'm also stalking pose, really been active. It shows you talked about in Discord. Yeah, I did see it before. What day did it run? It was yesterday, right? So something like this is where you don't really know what's going on. Just mark the resistance level, which is here like this. And then breaks above 532 with volume, then it should continue to go up to at least 550 plus. So Poet, wait for 523. Wait for 553 break, or 523. TRNR, is that one still moving? How's it looking? TRNR, bit of a weird one here. What I would suggest is resistance is around here. Maybe above 0.3, you could look for the entries. 0.35? Yeah, above 0.35. Close above there, you could look for the entries. Well, on the 1 minute, 2 second, daily, weekly, whatever. TRNR, wait for break above 0.35. Yeah, break above 0.35, nice, will look good. MSS has resistance 156. Yeah, it does. Hollow, nothing on hollow. Hollow is trash. JBDI has room to 251, yeah. This one looks good. BNZI is coming down. MSS just chilling right now. Let me check this T-non. No worries. No problem. T-non, see, something like this is you have to just zoom into the chart to see what's going on, right? But obviously we can see what's happening is that it's very bearish, right? It's not very clear. So here's your last red candle for the move up, like this. So what I suggest is do something like that, like this, demand zone, see if we can hold this demand zone. Demand zone is where buyers step in, and this is where they possibly will push the price up, as this is a reversal area. All right, so T-non in demand zone. No problem, no problem, no problem. Rightio, well, what else is moving here? Let's see. Hollow, let me check Hollow large time frame. Hollow needs 0.270. So Hollow, still nothing unless 0.27 break above. So someone just messaged on my Twitter a very stupid question. They said, wait for close above what? To buy or sell? So I said in the chart, I said, wait for a close above a certain level, right? If you're going to sell when it's breaking above a level, then you need to stop trading and remove the money from your account, all right? And step away from the charts and go back to normal. Go start again, restart, all right? So if it closes above, you should know what you need to do. I don't short stocks. I don't sell stocks. All I do is buy. I expect the price to go up. Should be very clear. If it's not clear, like I said, restart. Take a restart of your portfolio. Take the money out. Start with a paper account. Very stupid question, but it's okay. Well done on MSSS. If it keeps going, if it can keep going, if it can keep going. Is it gonna go? Who knows? I think it should go. Let me have a look at something real quick. Any trade setups you guys are in? MLGO. Let me have a peek. MLGO. Nice. Would I consider a downtrend break? Yeah, possibly. Would I have entered there? No, because it's too tight of a downtrend break. I would focus more on this one here. Just check where VWAP is. You're clear. Oh, you got VWAPs way above. But it looks nice. Looks good. Looks good. It looks good. HSCS dead. Let me see. Yeah, it's nothing on this. I wouldn't enter it unless it broke above 450. Seal looks like the best setup. Watch for this close above. Does the resistance level always come on a red candle, or does a reverse on a green work? I don't buy at support, and I don't sell at resistance. I aim for certain percentages. That's kind of how I do it, but resistance is just where you have these like this. See this resistance here? A lot of top wicks right here. Same as seal. Look, here's your resistance here. This is also a resistance here. But yeah, red candle here is suggesting that this is a resistance level, yeah. Correct. Cavill? 145. Cavill needs that 145 level. Just wait for it. Sorry, I meant demand. Demand zone is, I just use like the last red candle for the move up. So see this candle here before the move up? This is your demand zone. I just use this whole range here. So if a candle closes below here, then yeah, it should continue to go down. HSCS, it is holding demand zone. Yes, it is, but it needs to hold this level. The candle must not close below 408. Hey, MSSS, chillin'. BNZI just marked this resistance level like this. There you go, JBDI. Wait for 1.73. Yeah, 1.73, then yeah, you could consider something. JBDI. Wait for 173, break above. Yeah, that 173 then should continue up. But right now it's in a downtrend. Don't even bother. Leave it. Seal, nothing. Needs to close above. Or if it wicks above this high. What is this high? 0.3745. HSCS, it's still holding demand zone. Still, just about. TGL, for me, I'm just going to delete it. ZO, larger time frame setup. MLGO. Zio needs volume. I like this. Watch us $3 though on it. Who knows? My name is Goopy. Goopy Doopy's having a go on Twitter. Mr. Goopy Doopy says I front load and dump. Let's laugh at Goopy Doopy. People like that have no brain cells. Apparently I front load somehow. Somehow I front load. Interesting. Yeah, once it broke above there, you enter. Let's just block this guy. Seal. Yep, seal was a break above that high. I think I mentioned it, but if you did get in, nice. If you didn't, it's okay. HSCS, weak. Zio, MLGO, you could try and enter this if you like. TRNR, wait for 0.35. Get ready. No, I know, people are so funny. Apparently I front load. Like, it just makes me laugh because he's like, oh, you don't educate people, you just... I'm like literally telling people what to do on Twitter. I literally say, wait for a break above to enter. Wait for a break, wait for a close, wait for this, wait for that. Like, what do people want me to do? Get on their phone and click buy and sell for them? Like, some people are very stupid, seriously. And then they go back to oh, you're a front loader, you're a pumper. And it makes me laugh because if you're in the Discord, you know, I don't post any of the trades that I take on Twitter, and I teach how to trade. I give 1 or 2 alerts a day, and yeah, that's it. But I don't get heated with these people. They just waste my time. I just block. No need to get worked out with these fucking dumbasses, you know. Good morning, TRNR. Let me have a look. Yeah, 0.35, close above here. So look, when I say you need a close above, it's very simple. It's very, very basic. If I told a kid that just came out, right, a little infant came out of his mother's stomach, and I told him, wait for the break above 0.35, I bet you he'll know the answer. All it is it's a break above here. Look, that's a break above. It's broken above 0.35, you enter the trade. There is nothing complicated about it at all. Nothing at all. You know, so, you know, we don't need to be dumb it down that much, but you know what I'm trying to say, right? Good morning. I know it's not your thing. I'm in lays at 1040. You think long term we got 100. What is long term for you, brother? So you're doing 10x. I mean, if you think it's going to $100, then I think you should take out a loan or whatever you want to do. But for me, to hold 10x, that seems like you're very confident with that PT. So if you have a PT like that, then you shouldn't be asking me a question, where should I buy? Based on technicals. So yeah, interesting. 10x in 6 months. Good luck, brother. I'm not really going to tell you too much about it because I can share you the chart, no issue at all. But if you think it's going to 100, I disagree completely. But yeah, I don't know anything about the stock company, nothing. So I don't know long term. Yes, it's very bullish at the moment, very good and well. But you know what comes up must go down. So yeah. That's it. Where would you look for safe entries? Another reload? Probably at areas of support somewhere. SPY. Let me have a look. SPY's all-time high, no? Yeah, SPY's all-time high. I mean, here people use Fibonacci. I just like to use psychological levels. So 575 next, I guess, around here. Like this could be a next level. Smaller time frame, if you want options today, then I would say break above here. Close above here, you could look for your options. Buys, down below. Sells. Puts, calls. I'm a dreamer. Aaron, I'm just going to break your heart, brother, but never ever trust whatever you think is going to happen in the stock. Yes, I hope it does for your sake, run there, but I've been in this game. I'm not saying I'm a veteran or anything. I know the best and all this and stuff. I don't know anything about the company, which is fair enough. I don't really have a point, but based on previous history of stocks, whether they cured cancer, whether they've merged with Tesla or someone's given it $100, $1,000 PT, in my eyes, it's all a load of bullshit. But if you like the stock in general, that's fair enough. But I wouldn't personally hold for a certain level because I can guarantee you if it gets to $100, you still won't sell. Trust me, you won't. I know because I do it. I know how people are. I know emotions. I know how traders are. So in my opinion, I would aim for a percentage where you're happy. And then that's what I would focus on. So yeah, but obviously long term, it's a lot different mindset and how you trade. So I wish you the best of luck. Even if it's a scam, let's say it is, you're allowed to ask someone for money doing all this shit. No, I know. I don't get worked up. Good morning. What up, Ayman? Ayman, relax, brother. So Ayman got messaged by one of these Telegram idiots today. Thankfully, he didn't fall for it or anything. But yeah, I'm going to go over something about that in a minute. Just to clarify to people. But Myself and Hassi are in the Tiger Line Trading Discord together. We trade together. We give setups and alerts together. He is away. He's on vacation. He's on holiday till the 2nd of October. If you go onto his Twitter, you can see he posted that. So he's just away. It's just me for a week until Wednesday. But yeah, that's it. When you say break, do you mean to close or just go above? That's where I get confused. Okay. Have you heard of a breakout and a fake out? If you don't know what a breakout and a fake out is, just put one in the chat. Put one. Number one in the chat if you don't know what that is, and I will explain to you. Very, very simply. I'll wait. In the meantime, I'll chart some plays. APLD. 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 APLD, very nice. 695. Here's another one. 750. Young Hogue, I see your message, brother. Please do not spam. If you spam one more time, I'll just mute you. Please. I can see it. I promise I can see it. I can see your message. All right, I'll be going over it now. Give me a second. It's very simple to understand what the difference is between a fake out and a breakout. I just want to reiterate this and understand something very, very simply. It will save you thousands of dollars and time to go onto YouTube and pay for all these courses to understand something. Whatever time frame you want, it doesn't matter. Everyone asks, what time frame is it on? What time frame? What time frame is a breakout? What time is a fake out? What time frame? It doesn't matter what time frame it's on. It doesn't matter. It can be on the 1 second, 5 minute, 15 minute, 30 minute, any time frame in the whole world. It doesn't matter. Okay? Just understand that. Time frame does not matter if you're using a fake out and a breakout. Okay? There is no difference. Okay, yes, I guess the difference is that a larger time frame, if it broke out on a larger time frame, then it is higher probability it'll continue to go up. Okay, and if there's a fake out on a higher time frame, there is a higher probability it will continue to go down or reject. All right, that's it. So look, what is the difference between a fake out and a breakout? Look here. Let's look at this chart right over here. Right, let's focus on this. Let me try and find something actually. Let me find a better chart. I'll just use any time frame. Here's a prime example. You see this? Do you see this? This purple line is where resistance is. Okay, look, resistance. Resistance is where the stock should go up to and come down as it's done. Gone up, come down. So what is a fake out and what is a breakout? Look here. I'm just going to move this because this is your resistance line. Look, this is a candle. Okay, everybody see it? This is your candle wick. Okay. This is the body of the candle, the body. This is the wick. This is a fake out. This is a fake out. Why is this a fake out? Because the candle rejected resistance. It did not close above. It faked that it braked out. Fake out. So it went up here. It tried to close above, but it came down. So there's no confirmation that it's broken resistance and that you shouldn't get in the trade. Now, what is the difference of a breakout? Here, if the body of the candle, okay, it can be a little bit like this or it can be the whole thing, it doesn't matter. If the candle closes, the body candle closes above a resistance like this, it confirms a breakout. The candle needs to close above. If the 5 minute is still moving up and down and has not closed like this and it's doing this, you do not enter the trade. There is no confirmation because in 1 second it can go like this and fake out. If the candle closes above like that on the 5 minute, that is a confirmation of a breakout. It can be on the 15 minute, the exact same thing. It can be on the 4 hour, the exact same thing. It does not matter. Look here, again, 4 hour time frame, exactly the same rules apply. Fake out, fake out, fake out. Now, if the next 4 hour candle did this and it broke and closed above, right? Keyword closed above, right? If we closed above like that with the body above, confirmation of a breakout. Now it should continue to go up. Is it going to go up 100%? No. Is anything 100%? No. But the odds are in your favor. Instead of being 50-50 of it going up or down, all right? Now, if it closes above, you have odds of maybe 60-70% of it going, right? The next candle doing this. Next candle doing this. Look. Continuing to go up, right? Does that make sense? Does everybody understand the difference between a fake out and a breakout? Fake out, wick rejection, rejection, rejection. If it breaks and closes above a resistance, that is your point of entry because breakout. Using Luna Cleaner. Nice, nice, nice. Cool, cool, cool. MSS, MSS. Yeah, nice. People should be in MSS. MSS, MSS, MS. Yeah, people should be in. People should be in. People should be in. What up, Lux? What up? Thank you for explaining. I thought that was the idea. Yeah. So it's nothing fancy. It's nothing complicated. So when I say wait for a break above a level on my Twitter, it simply means the candle needs to close above. Now, you can choose whatever time frame you decide. If it closes above the 1 minute, you can still take the trade. If it closes above on the 5 minute, you can still take the trade. If it closes above the daily, you can still take the trade. You decide whatever time frame. What time frame is the best? I don't know. I use the 5 minute. That's all I can tell you. All right. So as simple as that. Well done on MSS. If you had ears, Helen Keller just messaged me as well. Thank you. Thank you for letting me know. They took it as well. They heard me loud and clear. You know, so very, very simple trade. You just got to trust it. Thing is, it's not going to happen in 1 minute as soon as I tell you to buy. It's not going to happen in 5 minutes as soon as you buy. But there is a probability that it'll continue to go up, and it's done exactly that. It can take time, patience. That's why, you know, traders have to have patience. They think everything just happens in 2 seconds. Just like I do in the Discord, I teach members how to trade. If it doesn't work in 2-3 days or 2-3 trades, they get angry and they're like, this sucks, I suck, it doesn't work, You think it takes you 1 or 2 trades? You know, if it took 1 or 2 trades for you to become profitable, you don't think anyone will be in the Bahamas right now with $100 billion? It takes time, years, practice, you know? Very easy trade. Very, very simple trade. The magical yellow line has done justice yet again. So, like up the stream, everybody. Just giving you some free great advice. Yes, let's go, members in it. Let's go. Lego. So, damn, Disco members are in. Yo, what on Disco, guys? See, it takes time, Takes time, that's all. Yeah, I'll check Seal now. Give me a sec, bro. Seal. Young Hug, if you can go on to pre-market. I mean, if you live in the US, get Weeble. Highly recommend. Seal is doing break and retest. Break. Cup and handle, yeah. I don't really know too much about cup and handle. I know the chart pattern, but I don't know like anything about it too much. Kind of just have this, to be honest. Support here. Here we go. Let's go. Does everybody understand that thing, right? The fake out and breakout, because a lot of people don't understand. Any stocks to watch into open? Top gainers. I will give you the website here. Take a look. Okay, morning. What up, tipster? What up? Thanks. Let's go, Kelly. So, next level, if you're up 5%, I would be out 50%. Now your next level's here, 185. But if you're up, just keep taking profits. This isn't exactly where you should tell. Take profits when you're happy. Everyone knows in Discord and makes fun of me, but I suck at scaling out because I'm not very good at it. I always sell too early, but it is what it is. I'd rather be green than, you know, hodling. How do I stay calm? I've been doing this for 4 years. I've developed a very, very consistent strategy. I've seen these patterns time and time again. If you follow me on Twitter, you know I do this so much. Look at charts, 12 hours a day plus for the last 4 years, right? It takes time and practice. That's where you get better at it. From there, that's when then you just start doing your risk management and things. So yeah, I mean, it's just a lot of practice, seeing the same thing over and over again. I know that I'll get stopped out maybe 30% of the time. It's not the end of the world. It's okay. 70% of the time I win, so it's okay, you know. Lose 3%, that's it. Make 5%, that's it, you know. So it just takes time. It takes time. Like, I was in everyone's situation when I started. When I started this, I had no idea what anything was. I just kind of developed and learned this through myself. Like I say, when I'm trying to teach members in the Discord certain things in terms of like the falling wedge and just certain indicators and that, I don't know every indicator. People think because I'm trading for a long time, I know every indicator, chart pattern, candlesticks, all of this. I don't. I focus on what I know and what I've learned, what works for me, and I master it. I've mastered the falling wedge. Of course, I can make it better and better and better, get better. And over time, and that's what I'm starting to develop because I do it every single day. It just takes time. So now I don't care about any other strategy. I just focus on my falling wedge and try and perfect it every day as it comes. Start to notice more and more things that happen with it, where better entries are, you know, so it just takes time, that's all. But it's not like I don't know everything. I cannot focus on all these plays at the same time, all these strategies, all this stuff. Like, I know a couple strategies here and there, yeah, but my favorite go-to, my highest probability one is my falling wedge. And that's what I teach in the Discord every day. How did I know MSS would go? Because it broke above this resistance here, getting strong bottom wicks off here. It reclaimed above VWAP right here, look. Closed above VWAP. Also, it was a pre-market runner. Stocks go up and then down. So look what the stock did. It went like this, make high highs, high lows, and then up like that. But also 8 a.m. volume, that's it. 8 a.m. volume brought this in here, look. Where is it? Sorry, 7 a.m. volume came above VWAP. 8 a.m. volume started to push up again here. Now, if it's going to start to reclaim this level here, especially VWAP, it will usually just keep going. It's up 137%. I wasn't focused on that. That's not the, I don't care about the percentage. It can be up 500%. Doesn't mean anything to me. But for me, all I do is I simply just focus on the mover. This is a mover. It still always had volume. It was looking good. Prediction was right because it did it previously before as well. But yeah, it's just looking at the charts more and more and more. That's all. But I don't use all these silly indicators. I just use VWAP. I don't use 50 MA. I don't use RSI, MACD, crossovers, all this kind of stuff. Yes, sure, it works for some people. You can go onto Twitter and simply type in, or sorry, go onto YouTube and type in the best 90 MA strategy, the best RSI, MACD crossover. You know, yes, they work. Of course they work. They work for those people and they work if you can practice it and actually understand it. But I can give you my strategy and I give my strategy out to members every single day. It's there. There's a whole seminar. Everything is there, literally how I trade. But the reason why people succeed in it and some people don't is because it takes time. I am very good at it because I do it all the time. Just because I'm teaching someone, they think it happens in 2 days that they should get it as well. It takes time. You have to do it every single day, right? But as long as you can keep consistent with it, you'll get better and better and better. It's like practicing for football, you know, whatever, golf, you know, anything in life. Practice it, you'll become better. You don't practice at all, right? You're not going to get it straight away. People ask me, how long will it take? It can take you maybe 2 weeks. Maybe it can take you 2 months. Maybe it can take you a year, right? I can't put a deadline on it, but I can guarantee you if you do this consistently, you have to get better at it. You have to. There's no way. There's no way you cannot get better if you're doing it correctly. Or the best way to start. Exactly. Journaling. You're the best. Learn hard way to me. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Like, I learned there's so many indicators out there. Yes, they all help for certain things and you'll see that. But for me, I just keep it very simple and clean. I don't really focus too much on everything. Yes, I see other people using RSI. It works well for them. Some members use it with my strategy. Fantastic. Great. It works for them, you know. Is there anything you might rise when the market opens? These are all the top gainers that I have. These are the plays that I'm watching. Which one's going to run? I don't know, Uzi, unfortunately. I wish I did because then I would take myself to the bank right now and take out a loan. HSCS, HSCS. Nice, HSCS did close below this, so I'm just going to remove this demand zone like that. What I'll do is we'll do something like this. Yeah, we're trying to break out. I think I would suggest like VWAPs. Wait, VWAPs around here, yeah. Maybe 450 you could look for entries. Hold that level, 450 around here. Weeble desktop. Weeble desktop. HSCS, give me a sec. HSCS, HSCS. Oh yeah, HSCS here, sorry. How do you pick your plays for the following day? So many stocks to choose. All I do is I go onto this website. It's free to do so. And all I do is every single day, as I say it every day, I do this for 4 years. I don't care about what the stock is doing in terms of the news, why it's running, what the earnings were, what even the news was, what merger it was. All I care about is the top gainers. These are all the plays that have the news, right, which give the volume. All these plays are up because they have some kind of catalyst that happened, right? And that is why I focus on them, because they have the volume. In order to trade technicals, especially for a day trader, you need volume. These are trading high volume because of the news and whatever, maybe a technical breakout or something. And I just add them to my watch list like this. I have, these are the majority of the plays that are up pre-market. So all I do is add these to my watch list, and then when the market opens, maybe 2 or 3 of these will be holding, and then I just trade those. That's how I do it. Cannot focus on all of them at once. One trade at a time. Microology, MLGO. Yeah, MLGO, this was your entry, I said right here. This candle closed above and 4.5%. You can still get in if you would like to, but you should be in this. CAPR. CAPR. What is happening with this? 37%. Nice. I'll add it to my watch list. Let me have a look. So yeah, Randy, I don't have screeners, scanners, any of that bullshit. I don't have it. Takes too much time for me because I've tried to do it. Yes, of course you can get the fast plays and all that, but all I do is refresh that every day. It takes 2 seconds. That's my cheat code. So yeah, it's free. Nothing special about it, but that's it. 859. 859, this is nice. Very bullish chart on this. Has broken all key levels on this. Very, very nice on CAPR. Seal. See, it's magic. You see the magic? Look here, magic. Broke above this resistance. It retested this resistance. Now became support. Up you go. So, Habe, you are a legend. Well done for getting in, my man. My man. Ooh, I didn't post this one? Surely I did. JBDI, I like this play, but it's larger time frame. Oh, it needs 173. JBDI looks like it's trying to reverse. JBDI needs 173 break. You're the legend. You're the legend. Okay, so since we have some people, oh shit, I'm gonna head into Discord. Here, guys, one thing before I leave. I have changed my pinned tweet. Okay, I've changed it to this. I said, do not have a Telegram. I'll never DM you, because there are so many people, okay, that are joining these other Telegrams and all this bullshit scammer stuff. Okay, I'm not doing it because I care that people lose money or whatever and they're falling for it. I'm doing it because people want to actually join the Discord, right? And they're thinking that you have to go through the Telegram first. You're all smart enough to know, and I've just put it there as my pinned tweet. It's going to stay there. You should know. If you have any questions, right, that is the only link to the Discord. There's nothing else, okay? Yes, there are all these scammers and bots underneath my post. I cannot do anything. I was contemplating whether to make my Twitter private completely so these guys cannot get in, or just even making no comments under my post, but I decided I'll leave it for now until see if it gets any better. But if it doesn't, I'm just going to put myself private, and then I'll individually add people when they request. All right, so just a heads up, please do not fall for any of these Telegrams. I will never, ever, 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 ever message you or DM you, ever, 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 ever. Okay, So do not fall for this stuff, please. Yes, they have the same name, all this, but look closely. Closely. All right. Anyway, thank you guys for joining. I'm going to head into Discord. Here is the only link to the Discord. No Telegram, nothing, please. All right. So here. No, I do not have mirrored surfs trading. I do not have a Forex. I don't have crypto. I don't do any of that bullshit. The only thing I have is a Discord, which is through WAP. You pay through WAP. You can watch the seminars on WAP. Live trading and everything is in the Discord, and there is all the alerts in the Discord. There is no Telegram, nothing. Yes, there are Twitter page or Telegram pages with my name, Tigerline Trading, and all this shit, okay? They have it on everything, Instagram, messaging all my members. It's not me. I do not have it, okay? There's the only thing I can tell you is to notify you as much as I can every day, right? But do not fall for scams. Why are you going to give someone money who's going to tell you to copy your trade and make you 20, 50% every single day or whatever the bullshit they're selling? Please, okay? All right. See you guys in the Discord. Have a fantastic day, and I will catch you tomorrow. Thanks for joining, guys. I appreciate it. Bye-bye.